Hello again. Today is rainy day and we are in a 2018 Ford Transit 2-liter blue, Eco Blue. Right, this vehicle 3 months old, 3,000 miles, had lots of DPF issues. Now the problems has been solved, and let's hear what the owner has to say about his van new driving concept.
Well, what can I say? Had this vehicle for 3 months now. They're about down 3,000 miles in it. Anything you can think of with issues on the dashboard, Adblue, DPF, the whole lot. The van was just not having it. I took to this fella down here to have it rectified and done what you need to do. And I tell you what, I recommend anyone who's got these city bollock vans out the factory, first thing before you even take it down the road, speak to this man, have it done before it's too late. And I just done about 5 to 7 miles on a country line, and I've got back load on the back of it, it's fully loaded. And I tell you what, not even my own Range Rover drives like that anymore. This is perfect. Fellas, come down here, you'll not be sorry. Great job.
Thank
Lovely.
you John, thank you very much for the lovely positive feedback. See you again for another video, and we are Supreme DPF Cleaning Company located in Bromley, Kent. Our telephone number is 07533 636 194, www.supremedpfcleaning.com. Thank you.